Hello and welcome to the classes of managerial economics. Today we are discussing demand forecasting and equilibrium from module 1 of your coursework. The topic equilibrium has not been particularly mentioned, but yes, it is very important and hence I have taken this up. Economic equilibrium is a condition or state in which economic forces are balanced. In effect, economic equilibrium remains unchanged from their equilibrium values in the absence of external influence. So basically, equilibrium point is nothing but a point where two opposite moving forces balance out. It is basically a point which remains unchanged. Here, as we can see in the diagram, the downward sloping curve, which is of red color, is a demand curve, and the upward sloping curve is a supply curve. Here we can see that the point where demand and supply curve intersect is the equilibrium uh, is where the equilibrium price is determined, corresponding to its position in y-axis, and similarly at this point quantity supplied or quantity demanded is determined corresponding to x-axis. We can see that when the markets do not clear out, when there is excess of demand, when the demand is more than the quantity supplied at lower prices, we have the condition of excess demand. And on the other hand, when at larger prices, greater prices, there is lesser demand and the quantity supplied is more, we have the situation of excess supply. Now let us look at few cases. We know when the demand increases, the demand curve shifts rightwards. So here we can see in our diagram, when the demand increases and the demand curve shifts rightwards to D1, the economy clears out, or the equilibrium point is established corresponding to the point P1, which means that when the demand increases, price also increases. And also we can see that the quantity supplied or quantity demanded has increased to Q1. This means that a rightward shift in demand curve increases the price and also increases the quantity. Let us look at another case when the demand shifts to the left. Leftward shifting of demand basically means that there has been a reduction in demand. So in this case we can see that the price is moving down towards P1 and quantity is also moving leftwards towards Q1. Now let us take the case where supply is increasing, where there is an increase in supply from the producers or sellers. So in this case, supply curve has shifted towards right. So when the supply curve shifts towards right, we can see that there is a fall in prices and an increase in quantity supplied. And also when there is when the supply is reduced, the supply curve shifts towards left, thus showing that quantity available in the economy is becoming less and hence the price of the given commodity increases to P1 and at the same time the quantity decreases to Q1.